Brad, that tornado's heading this way.
Yeah.
Brad, that tornado's heading this way.
Yeah.
Can you see it in your camera?
Yeah, look
at my camera. It's not even catching anything.
I zoomed in.
I can't zoom in on mine.
You can zoom in, can't you?
No.
Oh my god, this is so cool. I've never seen one in real life. Have you?
No. Let's see. Oh, there it is. It's catching now.
Oh my god.
Dude, the tornado's heading this way.
I know.
Dude, it's heading towards us.
Oh my god. No, it's a water spout.
I don't know if we should be turning around or not.
I'm scared.
Dude, should we be turning around?
I don't know. I don't know where to go. You can't judge it.
That's a pretty strong one, Brett.
No, it's a little one. Oh my god, that is so cool.
You catch it better with yours. I can't even zoom in. Can you zoom in and out with yours?
No, you got to zoom in before you take it.
How you zoom in on my camera here, Brett?
I don't know who really.
Hey, man. I see the way to go.
All
Hey,
right.
how you put the camera on my...
Here's the tornado. I zoomed in.
You see it better now? I'm afraid to go to the beach because there's the bridge. I didn't know there was a tornado coming. Hey! Hey!
Hey, Brett, take a picture of me with a tornado behind me.
Alright, I'll pause it.